Hey there mga Marts! Today we are going to do another unboxing kasi nagkaroon ng sale noong July 7. So it's a 7/7 sale sa Shopee and Lazada. But I only bought products in Lazada. And I got one from Shopee that was before the 7/7 sale. So here's the product from Shopee and the one I bought in Lazada. And another from Lazada. So let us first open the one from Shopee. So this one is just a small item. I don't already remember what this is. So let's try to open. And this one is 169 pesos. I wonder what this is. Oh, okay. Yeah, I got a remote. So, this one is a TV remote. So, LG siya mga Mards. So, yung mga TV namin dito sa bahay, puro LG. Ewan ko, hindi naman kami ni-sponsoran ng LG. Bakit puro LG? Alright, so, yung mga remote is nasira na. So, dalawa yung nasira. I hope this one will work. Okay, so, try ko na lang later. Okay, so it's only 169 pesos and there are also other remote controls. So this one is definitely an LG remote. So let's unbox the ones I bought in Lazada. Okay, so this one is alright. This one is also 169 pesos. Wow. So let's see what I bought. Okay, so alright. Mukhang alam ko na. So this one mga Mards is a fanny pack. So noon ang tawag dito ay belt bag. Alright? And now they call it fanny pack. So, ayan. Ang laki pala nito. So, okay. Mura lang to mga Mards. Okay, so you can wear it like so. May adjustment naman. Okay. Ayan. Alright. Okay lang. Mura lang din naman. Okay. So, malaki siya. And it has an adjustment here. Okay. Alright, so it has 1, 2, 3 and 3 pockets. Alright, and then there's another one at the back. So marami ka malalagay. And hindi siya bulky. So manipis lang. Okay. So, and the last one cost 1,441.50. I've been waiting for this sale, mga Mards, yung 7/7, because I really want to buy this. Okay. And here it is. Alright, now I have my own. Okay, so it's a JBL go-to Bluetooth speaker. So I bought this in Lazada in JBL's flagship store or official store of JBL. Kasi marami naglalabasan ng mga fake na ganito and they really sound really good. The difference is hindi mo gaanong maririnig, but kung alam mo talaga kung ano yung original, malalaman mo rin. Alright? So, to be safe, I just ordered on their official store. Ang liit lang nitong mga Mards, pero grabe ang lakas ng kanyang music and yung bass. Pak na pak ang bass niya mga Mards. So, ay, hindi pala ganito. Bakit ganun? Kasi, wait. So, yeah. Ang hirap ng merong kuko. So, just give me a minute maybe to open this. So, tatanggalin muna natin yung kanyang tape. Ayan, okay. Of course, I got one with my favorite color. So, ayan. So, tingnan nyo yung box niya, mga Mards. Okay. Alright. So, nakalagay dito, dare to listen. Okay, buksan na natin. Naku, paano kaya masusubukan? Okay. Kasi yung kasi yung ginagamit ko na camera is my phone. So, it will be hard for me to use my phone. Anyways, meron akong phone dito na Nokia. Bakit ganito? So, ayan. Ganyan siya, mga Mards. So, so if there's still a box inside a box. Okay, ganun siya. Alright? Alright. Okay, so tingnan muna natin kung ano ito. Okay. So, I think maybe this will be the charger. Okay. Alright. So, it's the charger, mga Mards. So, it's in color orange. So, USB. And a micro USB yung kanyang, yung para sa Bluetooth speaker. And we have the manual. Alright. So, kapal ng manual niya, oh. So, nakaganon lang siya. Nakalagay sa isang box. Alright. So, dito muna to. Okay, so ayusin ko lang. Huwag nating itapon. Finally, the speaker itself, right? Okay, ang ganda ng box niya. Secured na secured siya, mga Mards. Alright, so let's open it. Okay, so now I have an original JBL. Go to Bluetooth speaker. So, ito lang yung size niya. Look at my palm. Alright, so ito lang. So, it says here JBL. So here, we have here the charging jack. The one on the top is where you connect a cell phone or a gadget so you can play music if they don't have a Bluetooth. And sa likod niya, it's makinis, right? And here, sa top, we have here the power button. And here's the play button, the plus, the minus, okay, and the Bluetooth. Subukan natin, mga Mards. So I'm just going to use my Nokia phone to test the Bluetooth wireless speaker, okay? Let's power it on. Alright. So the Bluetooth is turned on, and let's turn on the Bluetooth of this. Have to add new device. Okay, so you can easily pair. Alright, so let's try some music. Naku, hindi ba ako masi-CPR dito? Puro Zumba ang music dito. Okay. Mga reggaeton. Reggaeton. Let's look for more reggaeton. Ito siguro DJ mix. Wow! Wow, mga hearts! God! Ramdam na ramdam ko. Hawak ka pero ramdam na ramdam ko yung bass. Oh, mapasaya ko dito. I like it. Oh my God! Grabe, ang ganda, mga Mards. Okay. Enough. Nawiwili na ako. Baka bigla akong mapasayaw dito. Oh my God. I so love it. Oh my goodness. Ayan, mga Mards. So, ano muna natin yung Bluetooth. Later na tayo mag-sounds. So, patayin ko na muna. Okay. And turn it off. Oh, so yun pala ang music niya. Ayan. So meron siya sa yung ilalim niya, mga Mars, is ganito. So meron mga nakasulat. Alright. So yung mga license ito, CEE. So ayan. So this is a really good buy, mga Mars. So meron din tong mga protector, so I'm still going to buy it para, di ba, kahit malaglag mo siya, okay lang, hindi siya masisira. Eto na. So eto na yung speaker na gusto ko talaga. So that will be all, mga Marts. Yun lang aking nabili ngayong 7.7 kasi yun lang yung aking kailangan. Alright? Till my next unboxing, this has been Ryce DG. I will see you on my next one. Bye! Yeah, I've been waiting for this sale. I've been waiting for the next sale. So I'm just going to use my Nokia phone to test the Bluetooth wireless speaker. Wala, namatay. Until my next unboxing, and that's